Hi, I'm Derek, a sales rep here with ZT, and today we'll be reviewing our 4K e-PTZ camera with 5x zoom and speaker. The ZT-CA50 provides an all-in-one design seamlessly integrating a 4K UHD camera, beamforming microphone, and full-frequency loudspeaker, streamlining wiring and simplifying video communication. The ZT-330 comes with a 4K UHD camera on the front, 2 speakers on the side, and the microphone on the front as well. For easy wiring and streamlining, we have power input on the back, a USB 3, an HDMI input, and a USB 2.0 as well. The ZT-330 also comes with a remote for ease of control. Connecting is a simple plug and play. We'll be connecting this with our smartboard. Now that we're set up on our smartboard, let me show you the different features that come with the ZT-330. The pan, tilt, and zoom functions on this. Pan and tilt at 15 degrees, zoom up to 5 times as well. You can control the zoom and all the other functions via the remote control. You are able to have 2 different presets. You can also use our Bluetooth function for the microphone and speakers. You can use the participant function where the camera and microphone will track one particular participant, or the group participant function where the microphone will detect whoever is speaking and the camera will tilt and zoom to that individual as well. Here's an example of a practical boardroom situation. We're using our Zoom meeting, as you can see on our whiteboard that we're working with, and we are using our PTZ camera as the external camera. So the functionality of the camera, the speaker, and the microphone are all intact with this Zoom meeting that we have available right now. All the functionality works just the same, but you are connected with your Zoom meeting so you can bring external participants into the meeting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it informative. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have questions about our products, please contact our sales team with the information provided in the description below.